Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the problem of UPSC 2016 15 marks question from topic radius of curvature. Here in the given question, for the cardioid r is equal to a1 plus cos theta, so that the square of the radius of curvature at any point r comma theta is proportional to r, and also find the radius of curvature if theta is equal to 0, pi by 4 and pi by 2. Let's solve the problem given. Given cardioid is r is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. This is equation 1. Differentiate with respect to theta, that is dr upon d theta is equal to minus a sin theta, and again differentiating with respect to theta, that is d2r upon d theta square is equal to minus a cos theta. This is denoted as r1 and this is denoted as r2. We have to know the formula of radius of curvature in polar coordinates is denoted by, that is rho is equal to r square plus r1 का square whole power 3 by 2 upon r square plus 2 r1 का square minus r2. This is the formula in polar coordinates to find the radius of curvature. We have to put the value in the given formula, that is in place of r, that is r is given by r is equal to a 1 plus cos theta, that is r square, that is a square 1 plus cos theta का square plus r1. r1 is given by minus of a sin theta on squaring, that is a square sin square theta की whole power 3 by 2 upon r square, that is a square and 1 plus cos theta का whole square plus 2 r1. r1 is given by minus of a sin theta on squaring, that is a square sin square theta minus r in place of r, that is a 1 plus cos theta, and r2 is minus of a cos theta into minus of a cos theta. That is taking common a square from numerator, that is a square common, that is power in a cube bracket 1 plus cos theta का whole square plus sin square theta की power 3 by 2 upon, that is a square 1 plus cos theta का whole square plus 2a square sin square theta minus into minus, that is plus a square cos theta, a square cos theta minus of a square cos theta and plus of a square cos square theta. Taking common a square from denominator, that is rho is equal to a cube open 1 plus a plus b का whole square, that is 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Here sin square theta is already present. The whole power 3 by 2 upon taking a square is common out, that is a square. Here is a cube. Remaining is 1 plus cos theta का whole square on open, that is 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Here also a square is common out, so remaining is 2 sin square theta, and from here that is cos theta plus cos square theta. Here a square to a cube is cancelled out, remaining is a. From here rho is equal to, here is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, that is 2 plus 2 cos theta, the whole power 3 by 2 upon, from here that is cos square theta plus cos square theta, that is 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta, that is common out 2 cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2 cos theta plus cos theta, that is 3 plus 3 cos theta. And further that is 2 common out from here, on common out from in bracket 2 की power 3 by 2 and 1 plus cos theta की power 3 by 2 upon, from here taking 3 is common, that is 1 plus cos theta. We have to cancel out cos 1 plus cos theta 2, 1 plus cos theta की power 3 by 2, that is 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. On cancelling 1 plus cos theta, that is remaining is 2 की power 3 by 2 upon 3 and 1 plus cos theta की power 1 by 2. We have to find the radius of curvature. Putting the value from here, putting the value of cos theta, that is cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Putting here once again, putting that is rho is equal to 2 की power 3 by 2, written as 2 की power 1 into 2 की power 1 by 2, that is 2 की power 3 by 2, and this is written as 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 upon 3, and in place of 1 cos theta, in place of written as 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 की power 1 by 2. From here 1 to 1 is cancelled out, that is 2 root 2 upon 3, and this is 2 cos square theta by 2, that is also root 2 on power is 1 by 2, that is root, and cos theta by 2. On solving, that is root 2 into root 2, that is 4, cos theta by 2 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. From here that is 4 by 3 cos theta by 2. 2 into 4 by 3 is missing out from here. Is remaining when taking common is a cube to cancel out a is remaining already remaining present, so a is missing out, a is already present. From here also a is present, and a, that is radius of curvature is 4a upon 3 cos theta by 2 we have to find. And in the given question we have to prove the radius of curvature is directly proportional to r using rho is equal to, we have to get rho is equal to 2 root 2 by a upon 3 1 plus cos theta. We have to show that this is the radius of curvature, and we have to show that the radius of curvature, square of radius of curvature is directly proportional to r. Then using equation 1, r is equal to r upon a is equal to 1 plus cos theta. This is power 1 by 2, don't missing out. So rho is equal to 2 root 2 upon 3a, and putting the value in place 1 plus cos theta, that is r by a, so into r by a whole power 1 by 2. On solving, that is 2 root 2 upon 3 into a, that is also root r, and this is root of a. On squaring both the sides, that is rho square is equal to 2 is 4 and root 2 is 2 upon 9. A square is a square, and this is r by a. A to cancel out, that is remaining is a. So rho square is equal to 4 to the 8 by 9 a into r. We have to take in taking 8a upon 9 is constant, then rho square is directly proportional to r. We have to show the square of radius of curvature is directly proportional to r, and further we have to find the value of radius of curvature at theta is equal to 0, pi by 4 and pi by 2. Let's solve the problem further. Here is the radius of curvature. Put the value. Radius of curvature at theta is equal to 0. That is 2 root 2 upon a by 3. When putting theta is equal to 0, that is cos 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, that is root 2. On multiplying, that is root 2 into root 2, 4 by 3 a. This is the value of radius of curvature at theta is equal to 0. and second is radius of curvature theta is equal to pi by 4. On putting that is 2 root 2 into a upon 3 and 1 plus cos pi by 4, putting that is cos 45 is 1 plus 1 upon root 2 whole power 1 by 2. On further solving, that is 2 root 2 into a upon 3 and here that is taking LCM root 2 plus 1 by root 2 की whole power 1 by 2. So radius of curvature at theta is equal to pi by 4 is equal to 2 root 2 into a by 3. Here taking rationalize root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 into root 2 की power 1 by 2. So 2 root 2 a upon 3 and here is on multiplying 2 plus root 2 upon 2 की power 1 by 2. From here that is 2 root 2 into a upon 3 into 2 plus root 2 की power 1 by 2 and 2 root is common out, that is root 2 to root 2 cancel out, remaining is 2 by 3 a under root 2 plus root 2. This is the value of radius of curvature at theta is equal to pi by 4 and we have to one more find radius of curvature at theta is equal to pi by 2. Once again, theta is equal to third is radius of curvature at theta is equal to pi by 2. On putting that is 2 root 2 into a upon 3 and 1 plus cos 90, putting theta in place of pi by 2, that is cos 90 is 0, so 0 power 1 by 2, that is remaining is 2 root 2 upon 3. This is the required solution of the given question pi by 2, cos 90 is 0. Thank you class. This is the required solution of the given problem.